Well, never would I have ever believed this. If you'd have told me 30 years ago that one day I'd be one of those dweebs that would do body work, use body filler, glaze, do all the sanding, and paint the inside of a trunk lid, I would have said, smoke another one, doobie. But I did. Came out right fine, I think. Didn't make it too perfect, so it may look factory. Actually put a new layer of sealant here. Probably hard to tell because, well, you know, it's black. And I was thinking of shooting the whole trunk once I'm done with the other side. And before I paint the show side, show this side, but then I discovered that factory paint didn't go all the way in. It's hard to see again because it's black, but you can tell on the inside that they were shooting on an angle. However this was painted, I'm sure it wasn't painted by people. And even inside, well, there you can see that they didn't come in from this angle, it came from that, so it didn't go around. So I don't know, I might just leave that like that, let it age a little bit, and hope that it blends in with the rest. Then again, I might just not open the trunk to anybody and not say a thing. Anyways, I would have never thought that I'd be one of those guys that do that kind of work to the inside of a trunk. Yeah, it's wobbly because it is the inside of a trunk. And it wasn't that great at the factory either. It had these spots, these rough spots. I left that. That kind of stuff. Anyways, I'm done here. Time to flip it over and keep working on the other side. Still waiting on the lower quarter panels. The car's still back there, hasn't gone away. Be good. Take care.